This is, you know, I think it was 2006. He stole one of these from me, so I haven't forgotten about it. Is it six? Yeah, it's 2006, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I haven't forgotten about it, so we'll see how this goes, see if I can get some revenge. Yeah! Got him! That's it. Good run.
Dang, I almost barely made that shot.
Yeah, good one.
All right.
Good run. Nice. That's it.
Hi, my name is JJ Rakaza. I'm a competition shooter. I was also a federal law enforcement officer for the Department of Homeland Security for just under 10 years. Before that, I was contracting, teaching a whole lot of military, federal law enforcement, state and local. I am here right now in Las Vegas teaching alongside with Michel and Doug Caney. What I expect the participants to get out of this weekend is that they're not only going to learn the techniques that we employ, how we get ourselves better to a certain level, they're going to get a piece of us. They're going to walk away here and they're going to take a piece of us with them because now we're a part of their progression. And it's not only just shooting part of it, but it's how we carry ourselves, whether in competition, under pressure, or the way we teach. And hopefully in the future, they'll be in the position as well to be where we're standing right now and teaching and sharing our knowledge and our experience. And they'll have that and they'll teach it the way we do and they'll communicate the way we do.